In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Claude AI and launch your first chat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Claude, create your account, and send your very first prompt with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to claude.com. Any modern browser will work well here, but make sure it's up to date for the smoothest experience. If you plan to use Claude regularly, it's a good idea to bookmark the site so you can return with one click in the future. On the home page, you'll see options to continue with Google or continue with email. Choose the sign-in method that fits you best. If you use Google, you'll sign in with your existing Google account. If you choose email, you'll create or access your account using your email address. Both methods get you to the same place, so pick whichever is most convenient and secure for you. Next, follow the sign-in steps and complete any verification that's requested. This might involve confirming your email through a link or entering a code sent to your inbox. If you don't see a verification message right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Take your time here. Verifying ensures your account is protected and that you can access all features reliably. Once you're signed in, the Claude dashboard will open automatically. You'll land on a clean, welcoming workspace designed to make conversations easy. You should see a main chat area and controls for starting new chats and organizing conversations. Think of this as your home base for everything you'll do in Claude. When you're ready to begin, click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation window. In the message box, type your first prompt. A prompt is simply your question or instruction to Claude. To get great results, be clear and specific about what you want. For example, instead of help with writing, try draft a 2-paragraph introduction for a blog post about healthy weeknight dinners, friendly tone, include one quick tip. Add context, desired length, or tone to guide the response. When you're happy with your prompt, press Enter to send. Claude will reply directly in the chat. If you want to adjust the result, just follow up in the same conversation, clarifying details or asking for revisions. That's it, you're using Claude AI. With these steps, you've accessed Claude, created your account, and launched your first chat. Keep practicing with different prompts, and you'll get more precise, useful answers every time. Thanks for watching, and happy prompting.